Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about selection sort. Yesterday we have discussed about bubble sort, but today we will discuss about selection sort. In selection sort we have to find minimum element in n. We have to find minimum element in n. For example, now, for example, what is the minimum element or smallest element in this array? I think 2. Now 2 will be swapped with first index element, means 8. Now smallest element of array will be swapped with first element of array, that is our 8. So 2, 5, 11, 9, 4, 2. This is our pass 1. Now pass 2. Now here onwards again we have to find smallest element, 8. From here, from this array, sub array, you have to find smallest element. What is the smallest element in this array? In this sub array is 4. So 4 will be replaced with first element of this sub array, not this array, this sub array. Now what will we find? Minimum element is 4. 4, 11, 9, 5, 8. This is our pass 2. Now pass 3. Now in pass 3 we have to find smallest element in this sub array. What is the smallest element in this sub array? Is 5. So 5 will be replaced with first element of this sub array. Okay, now 2, 4. First element of this sub array is 11. 11 is swapped with 5. 9, 11, 8. Now pass 4. Now we have to find minimum or smallest element in this array. In this array the smallest element is 8. 8 will be replaced with first element of this subarray. What is the first element of the subarray? Is 9. So 9 in 8 will be replaced. So 2, 4, 5, 8, 11, 9. In pass 5. Pass 5. What is the smallest element in this subarray? Is 9 or 11? 9. So 9 is replaced with first element of this subarray, this unsorted array. Okay. So 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 11. Our number of elements is n. N is what? 6. There are 6 elements in this array. So only n minus 1 passes are sufficient. So what is the value of n minus 1 is 5. Okay. Only 5 passes is sufficient to sort this array. Is it clear to everyone? I am again telling this. This is our unsorted array. Okay. we have to sort this array by using selection sort. In selection sort, you have to select smallest element from unsorted array. This is our unsorted array. Now, you have to find smallest element in this array. Smallest element in this array is 2. Okay. Now, 2 will be replaced with first element of unsorted array. This is our unsorted array. So, smallest element is 2. 2 will be swapped with first element of unsorted array, that is 8 here. So, 8 will be replaced with 2. Now, this is our sorted array and this is our unsorted array. Okay. Now, again, this is our age array and UA is unsorted array. Sorted array. Now, this is our unsorted array. Now, when the first element is replaced with the smallest element, this becomes sorted array and this is our unsorted array. Now, again we have to find smallest element from unsorted array every time. Not from this sorted array. We have to find smallest element from unsorted array. What is our unsorted array? Having 5 elements. So this is our unsorted array. Now we have to find smallest element from this array. Smallest element in this array is what? 4. So 4 will be replaced with first element of unsorted array. What is your unsorted array? This first element is 5. So 4 will be swapped with 5. So after pass 2, we will get 2, 4, 11, 9, 5, 8. Now this is our sorted array and this is our unsorted array. Again, in pass 3, we have to find smallest element from this array. What is the smallest element in this array? Is 5. 5 will be replaced with first element of unsorted array. What is the first element of unsorted array? Is 11. So 5 will be swapped with 11. So after pass 3, this becomes our sorted array and this becomes our unsorted array. Again, in pass 4, we have to find smallest element from this array. What is the smallest element in this array? Is 8. 8 will be replaced with first element of unsorted array, that is our 9. So 9 and 8 will be swapped. So after pass 4, we will get 8 here and 9 here. Now this is our sorted array and this is our unsorted array. Again, there are 2 elements in unsorted array. We have to find minimum between these 2 elements. What is the minimum element? 9. 9 will be replaced with what? 11, because 11 is the first element of this unsorted array. So 9 comes here and 11 is there. Now this is our sorted array and this is our unsorted array. Okay. Now last element in selection sort, if you apply selection sort algorithm, last element is always maximum element in this array. So this is whole element of this array is in sorted form, in ascending order. Okay, we are trying to arrange this element in ascending order, not in descending order. You can also arrange them in descending order, but algo will be different for that problem. Now we will try to understand this scenario with the help of an example and program. This is a for I is I less than n minus 1, I plus plus minimum equal to 4 plus 1 j if l of j is minimum, then f of j to j. Minimum of j equals to I. Swap. So this is the code for this algorithm. Now we will try to understand this problem with the help of this program. I is 0, 0 is less than n minus 1. Here n is 6 because there are 6 elements in this array. Okay. Now minimum is I. What is the value of I? I is 0. Minimum is 0. I is 0. Minimum is 0. Now j equals to I plus 1. Value of j becomes 1 because value of I is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. J is less than 6. Condition true. Now if what is the value of j? 1. A of 1 is get less than a minimum. A of 1 is less than a of what? 0. Yes, a of 1 is less than a of 0. Okay. Yes. Then minimum becomes 1. Value of minimum will be updated from 0 to 1. Now again j becomes 2. 2 is less than 6. A of j, a of 2 is less than a1. A of 2 is less than a of 1. No. So minimum will remain same. Again j becomes 3. 3 is less than 6. Condition true. A of 3 is less than a of 1. A of 3 is less than a of 1. A of 3 is less than a of 1. No. Minimum will remain same for this also. Again j becomes 4. J becomes 4. A of 4 is less than a of 1. A of 4 is less than a of 1. Yes, then minimum will be updated to j. What is the value of j? 4. So minimum becomes 4. Again j becomes 5. 5 is less than 6. Okay. So a of 5 is less than a of 4. A of 5 is less than a of 4. Yes, then minimum becomes 5 from 4. Now after this value of minimum is 5. It means that smallest element is at index 5. This is our. Now we have to swap this value with first element of unsorted array. Now what will be code for that? If minimum equals to I is 0, 0 is less than not equals to I. Yes, minimum is 5, 5 is not equals to 0. Condition true. Swap a minimum with a j. What is the value of minimum is 5. What is the value of ai? Sorry, ai. What is the value of I? I is 1, 0. So a of 0 and a of 5 will be swapped. we can see here. Then after I becomes 1, I becomes 1. Now we will start from here, and again we have to compare with j becomes 2. So this algorithm continues till I is less than n minus 1, and your array will be sorted by this algorithm. Is there, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in problem class. Thank you very much. This is all about selection sort. Thank you.